To compare EveryDollar debt snowball, start by understanding what the debt snowball method is. It is a debt reduction strategy where you pay off debts in order of smallest balance to largest, while making minimum payments on all other debts. EveryDollar is a free budgeting app that allows you to create a budget and track your expenses. First, gather all your debt information, including balance, interest rate, and minimum payment for each debt. Then, list your debts in order from smallest balance to largest next. Determine how much money you can allocate each month towards debt repayment. In EveryDollar, create a new budget and add your debts as expenses. Assign the minimum payment for each debt, except for the smallest debt, which you will attack first. Allocate as much money as possible towards the smallest debt until it is paid off. Once the smallest debt is paid off, use the money to attack the next smallest debt, and so on. This approach provides a psychological boost as you quickly eliminate smaller debts and see progress. To compare this method, consider the debt avalanche approach, which prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates. Calculate the total interest paid over time using both methods to determine which approach saves you the most money. For example, if you have two debts, one with a balance of $2,000 and an interest rate of 18%, and another with a balance of $5,000 and an interest rate of 6%, the debt avalanche method would prioritize the $2,000 debt. However, the debt snowball method would prioritize the debt with the smallest balance. Regardless of interest rate, ultimately, the choice between debt snowball and debt avalanche depends on your personal financial goals and motivations. If you need quick wins to stay motivated, the debt snowball may be the best approach. However, if you want to save the most money in interest, the debt avalanche may be the way to go. By using EveryDollar to track your debts and budget, you can make informed decisions about your debt repayment strategy and achieve financial freedom. Remember to stay consistent, patient, and committed to your debt repayment plan, and you will be on your way to a debt-free life.